Ian sir, he's one of the legendary actors, English actors.
Yeah.
So how are you looking forward to meeting him and
I met him. I had the pleasure of hearing him speak for Mami. I'm very excited to meet him again, but I'm here for Kashish and I'm here because I strongly believe in what this film festival stands for. Um that it's basic human rights to be able to be who you are. It's not only about gay rights. So I'm happy being here.
so he complimented
I'm here for important things. So let's just talk about that. Did I make him wait? Huh? Huh? Okay. I didn't make him wait. My car broke down.
Sonam, Sir Ian McKellen spoke about the need to get rid of Section 377.
Yeah.
What's your take on the same? Are you in consonance with him on this?
Yeah, of course I am. I think I've spoken about it on various platforms.
Sonam, he complimented you the other day at the Mami Film Fest. How do you feel about that? It was a great compliment.
I think it was a brilliant. What did he say to me? I don't remember.
He said that looking.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess. I don't know if it's a. I mean, it's a great part to play in that way. I don't know if he knows much of my acting. And I mean, it's a double-edged sword, no, when it comes to that. But I'm going to take it in a positive way. And hopefully, I could play a Lady Macbeth one day, which was beautifully done by Tabu. बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वॉचिंग सलमान खान ऑन स्क्रीन अगेन जैसे आप सब obviously 100% are looking forward to it. I hope it's another record-breaking film of his.
Sonam, also, Sir Ian said that India needs to grow up on when it comes to issues like 377 and all. What do you have to say on that?
I absolutely agree with him. That's why I'm here. Like I said, it's a basic human right. It's not about being lesbian, gay, female, male, transsexual, anything. It's about being able to be who you want to be and being somebody who is just themselves. I think I've advocated that since the very beginning of my career, since I've had the opportunity to be on a public platform. And that's why last year I was trying to make it, but I was traveling, unfortunately. And this year I immediately said yes to coming here. I'm a strong believer and a strong supporter of basic human rights. Forget LGBT rights. So I think that's what this is. I think Hillary Clinton put it beautifully in a speech recently, and I'm just quoting her. Thank you.
What do you have to say about the censor board? I mean, the fact that they recently just censored the trailer of the film like Aligarh. How much room do you have with the censor board of the country? And what do you
Well, the very fact that they gave Neerja a U certificate says that they're moving in the correct direction. And hopefully things are going to be changing. I'm an optimistic human being and I love my country and I love the people in it. And being an eternal optimist, I always hope for the best and I believe in humanity and the fact that people are good people and conditions and choices just make them not so great. So, yeah.
सरकार का 2 साल पूरे कर रही है अपने और there is a function in Delhi and there is a Bollywood family who is under investigation.
Which one?
Bachchan family.
Okay. Thank you. Why do I have to answer these questions? Peace. I'm talking about LGBT rights. Thank you so much.
You've got this.
Everybody should be loud.
I'm
ready? Yeah. Go ahead. Sorry.
yeah. Well, I'm very keen because he's. I've just finished a film which is based on Macbeth, and he's somebody that's done Macbeth and has done it fabulously well. In fact, before I started the film, I also watched the Macbeth that he had done. So I'm really looking forward to seeing him.
So how much do you support the gay rights?
Well, completely. I think there is. It's as simple as any other human right, and it has to be honored. And I think also a festival like this is a great platform because there's so many movies, about 180 films from across 50 countries that are coming into a festival like this. So I think it's great. It's fantastic.
Any movies of yours that we should be looking forward to?
Well, I've just finished a film called Veeram, which is the one that I was talking about, which is based on Macbeth. And I've just finished shooting for Gauri Shinde's film.
Oh, amazing.
फिलहाल मोदी सरकार 2 साल पूरे कर रही है
जी
दिल्ली में इसका बहुत बड़ा फंक्शन है।
जी ये मोदी सरकार यहाँ पर कैसे आ गई?
एक सवाल है लेकिन
जी।
बच्चन परिवार जो है वो अभी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी में जिसके इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज के द्वारा, और कई पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं जो इसका अपोज कर रही है कि जिस आदमी के या जिस परिवार के अगेंस्ट अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है वो किसी सरकारी कार्यक्रम का हिस्सा कैसे बन सकता है?
जी वो सब अब मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा क्योंकि आई डोंट नो इनफ अबाउट इट. ओनली व्हेन आई नो इनफ अबाउट इट विल आई बी एबल टू स्पीक अबाउट इट. या थैंक यू. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.